Bad migawo mado e pachoka wacho ni achiel kuom midhiero magikale en rakore gi kweth jogo matimo njore e pachoka kaachiel kod pinje maoko. E romo manobagi Mombasa mokelo kanyakla jogo manie bad migawo mar doho e Afrika mangima, ogai mado pachoka Martha Koome oko ni kedo gi jonjore ma kamago nyalo mana timore ka winjruok makare obedo e kind pinje ma jokanyo. Oko ni tiegruok makare onego timne jogo manie bad migawo no mar doho kod apisa mag arita e pinje mag Afrika mar fwenyo jonjore, ma bende oko ni loko chenro magitiyo godo kinde ka kinde. Mopogore gi timbe njore, apisago mag doho bende rango wach mar omwom migolo e pachoka kitero e pinje ma oko e tok chik.
Conversations so far this morning countries as functional modern to confront and eliminate trans. These are not new crimes, as the Chief Justice has said.
We also suffer lack of resources to carry out very intricate investigations, to bring witnesses and support those witnesses to be able to give evidence. We require expertise. We rarely get experts in this area. We require cooperation and instruments that can enable us cooperate easily, a court sitting in Nairobi with another court sitting in Burkina Faso.
As per the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, OECD, estimates that Africa loses as much as 60 billion each year in initial financial flows. Consequently, by building a unified front and drawing on the collective knowledge in this room, we can fight transnational organized crime much more aggressively and effectively.
Transnational organized crime and illicit financial flows pose grave challenges to the stability and prosperity of nations worldwide. Criminals transcend borders easily, and law enforcement agencies should cooperate without red tape that could cause delay in pursuit of justice. Cross-border exchange of information is crucial.